In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a digital certificate signature in Adobe Acrobat Pro. By the end, you'll have a secure digital ID set up and know exactly how to apply it to any PDF you need to sign. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat Pro. We'll first create your digital ID, which is essentially your encrypted signature and identity. On Windows, go to Edit, then Preferences. On a Mac, go to Acrobat, then Preferences. In the list on the left, select Signatures. Under Identities and Trusted Certificates, click More. This is where Acrobat manages your digital IDs. In the left panel, choose Digital IDs. Then click Add ID. When prompted, select a new digital ID. I want to create now, and click Next. Choose New PKCS #12 digital ID file. This format creates a secure file that stores your certificate and private key. Fill in your personal information, like your name, organization, and email. Enter only the details you are comfortable having embedded in your certificate. These fields help others verify that the signature is truly yours. When you are ready, create a strong, unique password for your digital ID and click Finish. Keep this password safe if you lose it. You won't be able to use the ID. Acrobat saves the .p12 file securely on your device. Consider backing it up in a secure location if your organization's policy allows. Now let's use your new ID to sign a PDF. Open the PDF you want to sign in Acrobat Pro. Go to All Tools and choose Certificates. In the toolbar that appears, click Digitally Sign. Your cursor will change, so you can draw a rectangle on the page. Click and drag to draw a box exactly where you want your signature to appear. Don't worry if it's not perfect. You can adjust the placement later if needed. A dialog box will open asking you to pick a digital ID. Select the one you just created. Enter your password to unlock it. Before finalizing, you can customize the appearance of your signature. Acrobat lets you display your name, the signing date, and other details. Or you can choose a cleaner look depending on your needs. When everything looks right, click Sign. Acrobat may prompt you to save the signed PDF. Saving creates a version with your cryptographic signature embedded. Once it's saved, your signature will appear in the box you drew, and the document will now include a verifiable digital certificate. That's it. Thanks for watching.